This is a quick video on a 3D model I made of a gazebo or rooftop of a shelter within a park here in Rochester, Minnesota. This is the point cloud, as you can see. There are some floaty things over here on the left, which is be the west facing of this rooftop. There was a tree here, so that's what that was trying to render at that point. Because of that, I wasn't able to get the same angle of photos along this facing as the rest of it, and as such, it did affect the rendering of that particular facing, especially that northwest corner right at the top there. But as I show the textured model, it still turned out amazing. And there is the texture. Now, as you can see, I just concentrated on the roof, so you don't see the pillars or anything on the side. Just everything that was from a more or less top-down or 45-degree angle, circling the roof specifically. And as I zoom in here, you can see there is a lot of detail that has been generated with this 3D model. Of course, I'll go over that northwest corner. As you can see along this edge here, that was trying to render some of the branches, and if you look on the ground, you'll see it again. Let me rotate it a little bit. You can see it along there. But as a whole, it turned out pretty amazing. And also within WebODM, I'm going to go into the point cloud. I'm going to show that you can also take measurements. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, and I can measure distances, areas. Now this roof isn't traditional. Let me fix that little spot. This is why I use the point cloud. As you can see, the pitch changes from the peak down to about midway, and then it flattens out a bit as it goes towards the edge. So they get a more accurate area. We're going to take this in 2 sections, like so. And then now you can see the area given the angles of those two facings. You get a fairly accurate measurement of the meter squared, since this is in metric. I didn't change it to imperial, but you get the idea. Also, I'll show really quick the cameras. That shows the camera angles of the pictures I took. So each facing, I did a number of videos on each facing at a 45-degree angle, with the exception of that west facing, in which case I had to face outward from the rooftop at I think it was a 60-degree angle or 65-degree angle. I can't remember, going down. And then, of course, I did some top-down shots, and then an orbit, and then a really high top-down to help mesh everything together. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helps you out.